Okay, we're here working on 1979 AMF Sunfish Sugar 2 doing a leak test. So we're spraying some dishwashing liquid. We use Dawn, some water along the seams, pumping a little bit of low volume, low pressure air into the hull. We taped up all the holes that we know of, and we use this vent hole on the forward cockpit wall. That little vent there right below the hook. Pump some low pressure air in there, and then we look to see if there's any bubbles coming out. So I've already sprayed it a couple times, so just to kind of give you an idea where you may see it. For testing out today, we're using this Porter Cable Cordless shop vac. This is the intake hose here. We hook the hose up to the exhaust port. It runs off a battery. We'll turn it on and pump some air in and see if we see any bubbles. So you see where bubbles come out, there's holes. Oh, here's the skipper's paddle. Gonna have to see if we can go alert it. Come back to this later.